Hello everyone, I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV giving you a closer look at the Tusk Light Bar mounts for the Textron Wildcat XX. All right, so today we're taking a closer look at the Tusk Light Bar mounts for the Textron Wildcat XX. Now these light bar mounts are designed to work with the Tusk 30-inch light bar and also the Tusk 30-inch curved light bar as well. So the way these are constructed, they use a CNC laser cut steel. They have a nice black powder coated finish to them, so they look good. Also, I like the clamps. The clamps are made from heavy duty aluminum. Those bolt just right onto the roll cage. Now, a couple things you want to keep in mind. You'll notice that we've got these mounted up right now with the Tusk aluminum forced roof. And what's cool about the forced roof is it actually has holes that are pre-drilled for these light bar mounts. However, these light bar mounts will work without the roof. So you can have one without the other. You don't have to have both. And another feature I will point out is that if you have the light bar mounts but not the roof, you do have a little bit more adjustability, and what you can do is you can move the light bar mounts up or down to get that light bar exactly where you want it. But again, if you're looking to have a light bar on your Wildcat XX, this is an awesome route to take. All right, so there you have it. Those are the Tusk light bar mounts. Now, last thing I will say is that you can get these separate, or they do come as a kit with a 30-inch straight or curved light bar. So if you want to get everything in one package, that's a good route to take. It's going to come with all the hardware that you're going to need to get those mounted up. To pick yours up, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. They are machine specific, so just make sure to enter the make, the model, and the year of your side-by-side when you're doing that. That's going to make sure you get the correct fitment. Remember guys, orders over $75 ship free. If you like this video, you want to see more like it, well, just make sure you subscribe. I'm Chase, we'll see you on the trails.